A warm good evening to everyone. I am Bhumika from the Great English Academy. So today we are gathered here from a debate. So our debate topic is who are being tortured, girls versus boys. So we are in a favor of girls. So let's get started.
So, good evening, everyone. My name is Shaz from Great English Academy. So, today we are here to do a debate. So, our debate topic is who is being tortured, girl or boy, and I am in favor of boys. So, everyone says protect girls, protect women, protect every lady. So, what about the boys? If a girl who kill their husband, if a girl who kill their partner for any reason for other boy, so who will protect him? So you are say that from ancient time to now, but after the laws of government who give to respect women, save women and save girls, so are you promise that no one girl can misuse their laws for their herself, for their protection? And you saying that from in ancient time girl was boys and fathers and brothers killing their sisters, killing their daughters in too much early age. So now we are not talking about ancient time, because nowadays they are and no one can kill their daughters, kill their sisters for any reason. And especially
If you will go out of the Jaipur, then you will know how many girls are not depend on their boyfriends, on their partner. Sorry, they are also earning a lots of money, and that's why there are lots of boys who are only make relationship for the money, for the physical touch. And if and we can't say that all girls has a best friend. There are lots of girls who has not a best friend. I don't have a boy best friend. So how can you say that girls have a boy best friend? And sometimes girls are also facing lots of problem, because if girls family not allowed to get married, they elope for the boy, and they didn't think about the parents' respect. So how can you say that girls only want expensive gift? There are in now generation you can say that, but we can't judge a person by its cover. Okay, so you can't say that girls only want expensive gift.
because this I can say that it proudly, because this is too much going in. Like if a boy he's in a relationship with a girl, if a girl giving him a gifts, but this is the girl's choice, and you are saying that every boy he is only come in a time pass with a girl. So this is wrong. This is only 20% boys of the in this generation, and if you talk about the girls, this is like increase 40%. I collect data from everywhere. This is 40%. That 40% of girls who are making just boyfriend for money, and you are saying a physical touch. So if a girl was not ready for any type of physical touch, a boy can't touch her. If girl was not ready, if girl was not give him any types of permission, so that time he will be not touch her. And only some boys, only some 1 to 2% boys who are forcing her to I can touch her to do any types of wrong thing. But in this generation, not only boy, every one boy was firstly they are giving permission for to from their girls. So can I touch you by physically by anything? So this is girls mentally. Girls.
Girls are tortured in every home from beginning. History is a witness that girls are torturing since the beginning. And many people think that girls don't do anything, so he said anything to girls on the road. And many people force him to dowry, and even many people kill them.
ठीक है. She's saying boys are teasing all the times girls, but not all boys are teasing girls. And in our schools areas there are so many girls, and there are so many girls who tease the boys and they abuse a lot of words. And she is saying about the dowries. She asked dowries from her families. What about your father and brothers? If you will go another woman house, so what will you do? you will ask for dowry or not?